knock him down.
No, I'm going to knock them down.
No, let him knock him down.
Thanks, Jeff.
You're so welcome.
No, no, no. I'm not here. No, no, I'm not here. Hold on. You want up, buddy? Yeah, okay, now. Hey, buddy. You miss me? Because you don't like Billy, because I'm awesome. Well, I guess he doesn't like me either. He just wanted to be up on the couch and right next to me. Don't move. And you won't notice it. Now he wants Billy.
Watch him. Make sure he doesn't flip backwards. He's close to that edge.
Here, I'll just sit right next to him. So he's happy.
Don't get him too close to the end of the couch. That's all.
Put your knee down, dude.
You gotta make
Put your knee down.
Put my knee down. Put my knee down. This is a train that goes. Whoa. I got it, buddy.